Hi, welcome to the 12th and final tutorial. We're going to go ahead and finish rendering this, and I think that's going to wrap it up for this series. I decided we're just going to end it here because I think I want to get on to more fun stuff like modeling a character and rigging it for animation. So I think that'll be more fun. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this whole series up in this final tutorial. So with that, let's just get started. Just going to go in here, shift select both of these, right click, go to assign new material, assign a Lambert, and just go to double click the color option box and just change this color. Let's see here. Just like a dark red, maroon color. And let's see here. Let's go under the render settings and let's go to features. If it'll load. Alright, there we go. Check the caustics option box, go to quality, and let's see here. Go to ray tracing, set the reflections to 5 and the shadows to 5, the refractions to 3 and the shadows to 5. And go to indirect lighting and change the accuracy under global illumination to 2500. And under final gathering, let's set that to 1500. Let's see here, and go to caustics, and let's set that to 1500 as well. And just close that, and select your light source right here under the window, and go to metal ray, and change your caustics. Just delete this 1 and just type in 9. So that looks good. Let's put our shadow rays up to just 36. And let's just add a background. So go to create polygon primitives, create a plane, just move it up and scale it out. And go to assign new material, Lambert. I'm just going to go to this file, and I just found a nice background to use. Just it's like a resort, ski resort. Just thought I'd use that. So select that, and go to your channel box / layer editor. Just rotate this down in the X 90 degrees. Rotate it in the Y 90 degrees as well. And just scale it down. And just get it where you want it in the window. Make sure when you get your render view you won't be able to see any of the 3D space, just the whole picture. That's all you want to see. Alright, so that looks good. So let's see here. I'm actually gonna just select all these faces and change the color. Just all these top faces. Go to assign new material, Lambert, go color. Let's just change this. Don't think I want it so bright. Need dark color like that. That should be good. So let's see here. Actually gonna select these objects, stands here, and go to blend. Let's see here. Reflectivity up slightly. Actually, let's select that again. Just put the specular roll off up slightly as well. And then let's go ahead the view we want and just render this out. Go ahead and pause it and just start back up when the render's done. Welcome back. Here's the render that it came out with. As you can see, the picture in the background is a little too dark. I'd hope for probably stand to bump up the lighting intensity a little bit, but that actually looks like a pretty good night render. Maybe just a little bit too bright, but looks good over here. Just a soft light coming from there, hitting the bookshelf. So it looks good. If you want to, you can just pump up the intensity. So you can see this render took 44 minutes, which took way longer than I thought it would because I left it going. And Norton was actually running a scan in the background that I didn't know of. And I came back and it was just, my computer was going so slow because of the scan that I didn't actually want to go. So let's actually end it for this series. If you want to, you can just maybe put these windows in, but let's just gonna wrap it up for this series. We're gonna go ahead and in the next series we're gonna learn how to model a character and rig it for animation. So that should be pretty fun. Thanks for watching these series. Hopefully you liked them, and hopefully you'll be back to see the new ones that should be up pretty soon. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.